Yo, what's up guys? As you can see, it's some beautiful fall weather. Today, our really good friend Trevor is going to let us drive two of his cars. He's got 3 of them. So I will be driving an M3 clone, S50B30 swapped. Everything else underneath is M3 swapped as well. Shimon's going to be driving the turbo grooves, and then we'll probably swap for a bit. But yeah, should be an insanely cool day. We're going to the Strzelecki Sidovski meetup, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the day. Alright, this is my chariot, M3 clone. Shimon is in the 3-liter turbo coupe, and Trevor's in his Dakar Yellow original M3. This is surreal, guys. Yellow coupe, I'm in the purple coupe, and then there's the blue coupe. All the M's. This is so gangster. Like, the throttle response is insane. Oh, look at that sheet, boys. So sick. Hello, Uber for Angelo.
Dzień dobry. Hello.
You excited?
Yeah.
Got Shimon back, he can't
The
see.
lineup today is quite good.
Yeah.
I must say.
Yeah. Here. We got here. This is a crazy experience. Can't thank Trevor enough, honestly. All parked up. Take some photos of the cars now. That was only half throttle in it. Feels good. It's definitely got pull. Once he figures out what that breakup is at the top, it might be a ABS or wheel speed sensor issue. I know that's a thing in the newer cars. Sucks he said no clutch kicking, because those roundabouts would have been perfect. Full throttle. Okay. So it's just got a shorter limiter. This is fun though. I like this car a lot. I would drive this. The seat's not adjusted well. There we go. His steering wheel is really nice too. It's cool. Reverse lab hydro. Here, I guess you take that out and then it screws in. That's cool. Could have done maybe a little bit better of a job cutting that, but whatever. 3 coupes cruising the Polish back roads, baby.
I do. 모두들 미워하느라 애써 날 무너뜨리면 밥이 돼 난 외로워서 어떻게 미움마저 삼켰어 화낼 힘도 없어 여유도 없고 뭐 그리 아니까 가던 게 그냥가 왜들 그래 서럽게 마리아 마리아 No frame, no fake 지끈지끈거려 하늘은 하늘색 사는 게 더 뻔해 내가 갈 길은 내가 바꾸지 위기는 기회로 다 바꾸지 굳이 않은 거리 보고 싶다면 외로워서 어떻게 미움마저 삼켰어 화낼 힘도 없어 이유도 없고 마음을 더럽히지 마 타락하기엔 아직 일러 마리아 마리아 빛나는 밤이야 날 괴롭히지 마 마리아 마리아 뭐하러 아둥바둥해 이미 아름다운데
So, what do you think about the turbo grooves?
So it's really nice. It's good experience to drive it.
Yeah.
It has a lot of power, definitely more than mine. It's weird feeling to drive a car with a boost, so you have to adapt how it feels, be cautious about curves and everything, and the clutch is terrible.
Alright, now I have spawned in the turbo grooves. Trevor's still in his M3, and Shimon is in the purple car now. Little pop, crackle, bang. Holy fuck, the steering wheel shakes so bad under braking. The noises are so insanely surreal though. It's so much fun. You liking it?
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a sick day. We met a bunch of cool people. Didn't meet the Strzelecki guys. They were hiding somewhere, but we saw their car. Super cool to see in real life. A bunch of other cool cars were there. We went for a drive after in all the cars. Got to experience an M3 motor for the first time. That was insanely cool. Shimon loved it too. And turbo cars, just always a blast. Gotta get to drive the yellow M3 someday. That's gonna be the real goal. Tell Trevor to let us. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Thanks Trevor so much too. Unfortunately, we had some filming issues. A couple clips just got lost. It happens. One of the clips was filmed upright instead of sideways as well, so sorry about that. Oh, my cats are fighting again. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.